Is that good? Do you want another bite? Hey guys, welcome back to the farm. We are gonna give the goats and horses some watermelon, but I'm also gonna be making watermelon soap later this evening with watermelon. Hot, hot, hot here in Virginia. Guys, if you are new to the channel, my name is JC, and that is my hubby Mike. And we bought this homestead to homestead, but also to run our equine ministry. We utilize the horses for therapy, for our kids program, for youth volunteers, and I make handcrafted soap and other skincare, and that's our neighbor's dog, you can hear. So let's see how the goats enjoy this, and then we'll make some soap. Actually, first, let's check on the horses because it's time for them to eat. All right, there's Luna. Hi, Amber. Cider. Hey, Cider boy. Blue, what you doing, girl? Hello. Hey, buddy boy. You ready for food? Oh, Sophie. You ready for food, girl? All right. Some horses like watermelon, some don't. Let's see, I grabbed one here. You like that, Luna? Huh? Is that tasty? I'll see if Amber wants some. Is that good? Do you want another bite? Ooh! I think it's cold. All right, let's try Amber. Now, Amber is about 90% blind, but she's doing really well. She sees some. You made a mess of your stall. You want some? Ooh, you don't like watermelon? Nope, not a watermelon fan. That's okay. All right, let's try cider. Yes, I hear you. Come here, boy. Here. You want to try some watermelon? Ooh. Oh, just spit it. Come here, buddy. Nope. He's liking that. Yeah. Look at Blue. Blue's sticking her head through the door. All right, Miss Sophie. Buddy didn't leave much. You want a bite? Ooh. Oh, okay. Now, if Buddy and Sophie had teeth, I'd let them eat the rind. They can have a little bit of that, but they don't have teeth, so I'm just gonna let her get the juices. She's like, no, I want a whole piece. All right, I'm gonna feed all the horses, and then we'll give the watermelon to the goats, and I know they're gonna love it. Not all of them are fans, but a lot of them do like it, so. What, you like watermelon, Oliver? Huh? Do you like watermelon? Let me sit. Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy. Yes. Let's see. Hi, girls and Nugget. I'm gonna put this in and then I'm gonna go in because I only have but 2 hands. Y'all like the watermelon? There they go. I think they thought they were going to come out, so they were holding off to enjoy it. Hi, Bubbles. Bonnie, you want some? Here. Oh, goodness. Bubbles. Nugget, you want some? Oh my goodness. Oh, hi, Molly Moo. Oh. You don't want to share? Huh? Hey, Peaches. Don't bite my fingers. Oh, goodness. Right. Nellie's lowest on the totem pole, so let me get her a little bite. Nugget, you babies want some? She's got her own bowl over there. Hi. Sarah and Esther. No, they don't like it. I'm trying to figure out what the big deal is. Here, Nugget, be nice. Hey, be nice. You know, that's your child. Oliver's waiting out there. All right, here you go. Me grab one side. Soap lab, and I have 15 pounds of soap. I'm gonna put in this, it is a 17-pound mold, but I'm gonna be doing the wider bars, shorter bars. And so I divided the oils by 3, so I have 3 bowls. My second, and taking some of the second batch and putting it with the third batch, because that's gonna be the watermelon, the red part of the watermelon. This is going to be the green and light green rind, and I already have my goat milk in here. I have my oils in here. I do a 50-50 lye solution, which is sitting over there. I'm gonna mix this up. Kaolin clay is in here, and I also have my watermelon all natural fragrance in here. Guys, I am so sensitive to fragrances, and I can only use Wholesale Supply Plus, Crafter's Choice natural fragrances. I don't use all of them. There are certain ones you can go on and read, which is really great. You can read what it's made out of, what's in it. They're all natural. There's no hormone disruptors. I do not get any headaches when I use their natural fragrances. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna do a voiceover because I need to concentrate on this. I'm gonna start with this one. I'll probably pour off about 1 pound because I want to do a dark green, and then I want to do a really light green, and with the pound left over, and make the rind to start. So let's get going. Here we go. Okay, just so y'all know, I'm putting my gloves, I do have my goggles on, so we're good to go. And this is my watermelon juice that's gonna go in the last batch for the watermelon. So it's gonna give amazing bubbles. back. What a productive day I've had here on the farm, even though it has been very hot. I believe it was 95 today. But I got the stalls done. It is now evening on Saturday, and I got the stalls done. Here is the final watermelon soap. I am charging my phone because I have my setup over here to film for TikTok. Gotta show you this. Oh my gosh, it's actually still warm. It hasn't been quite 24 hours, but there's the side. So how awesome is that? Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. The other exciting thing is I now have a slab cutter. So let me grab that. This is my slab cutter. So this is my citrus kissed lavender bar, and here is my stamp. So it's the Pink Hippie at Steadfast Trail Farm, but it has my Pink Hippie logo on it from my LLC. And I need to measure this. So I should get 4 loaves out of this. So I might tilt y'all down a little more. It's hard for me to see if y'all can see. All right, so I'm gonna put it in like the loaves that I formed. And I'm actually gonna turn it around this way because I think this is my extra side over here. All right, hopefully I have it measured right. And I might tilt y'all down a little more so you'll be able to see. So I'm supposed to hold here and be able to push. And hopefully I have everything even. Oh, wow. That was actually really easy. There it is. Oh my gosh. Just kind of push it over a little bit. That was really nice. Okay. I guess I should get. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is like one of my favorite soaps, and the bubbles, the lather on this should be amazing because of the sugar in the watermelon. Kind of think of that one. Oh, it's such a fun soap. Such a fun soap. All right, here's my, I'm gonna have, oh, actually, the way I cut this, I really don't have any excess. Let's see. Oh, no. I might just, oh, it might be a little uneven. That's all right. I'm fine with that. That's a watermelon peel. Okay, let me get my log cutter. Exciting. Alrighty, here we go. Turn it this way. Should. Yay! There's the watermelon. Watermelon bars. Awesome. Love it. I could have done a thinner line for the rind, the white part or that light green part of the rind, but I am happy with it. It's an heirloom. It's an heirloom watermelon. I probably won't do my Pink Hippie stamp on this. What do you think? Should I still do my Pink Hippie stamp? Or should I just leave the design? My ocean soap, I didn't do my Pink Hippie stamp. I just wanted to leave the design. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I try to, get some more content out there. It is really hard with everything that I have my hands in. So, and I don't want to just put up a video to put up a video. I want it to be useful for you guys. And so just let me know what you'd like to see here on the farm. I love sharing all of it, but I do really love helping those that want to make soap, support their homestead, support their family. And so be blessed, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.